Here it is.
Okay.
Oh, focus. There it is. All right.
We're here, y'all. Got off of work, picked up Josh, hung out. You might have seen a little bit of footage. Were you recording anything over there?
No, I didn't.
Oh, that's all right.
Press the right button.
Anyway, it's time to work out. It's time to get it in. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I feel in a good mood to run like 5 miles. All right, check it out. I just want to give you guys a glimpse of what's about to happen right now. Josh Denny is about to get it on, and I told him maybe we might be able to do something this week. So this week has come. He's reminded me, and he wants me to show you guys a little glimpse of what he has going on in his day-to-day routine. This is coming from somebody who hasn't really like pumped major iron, who hasn't really worked out, right? Give a little testimony about that.
That's true.
Give some motivation to some folks out there.
The only time I ever worked out was in a couple of my buddies at my old high school. They asked me if I wanted to do powerlifting, and I didn't really want to, but since all my friends were doing it, I might as well go and have some fun and stuff like that. And I didn't really like it. The atmosphere was like, everybody was like meatheads, like, oh, and stuff like that.
So here he is. Here he is, coming, starting from the bottom. Now we're here.
But we're both not Drake.
The Champagne Poppy.
Wow. I didn't even
This my squad, better move aside, boy. This my squad, hold a stack so high, boy. King for the day, yesterday or nobody. This my squad, better move aside, boy.
cue the workout music now.
We made it! It was probably one of the best workouts I've had in a long time.
Yeah.
Like, I pushed it times 2 times the max that I thought I can give. I thought, dang, I'm done. I can't do no more than Josh did for me what I do to him. And he grabs like the bar and lifts it up for me a little bit. And I'm telling you right now, those ones that you can't do yourself are the killer ones. Those burn like crazy. It burns right now holding the stupid camera to talk to it. It's burning. So Josh did more than me. There was a few times where he wasn't there or something, and I gave it all I could, but I couldn't give it those extra, and Josh gave like 3-4 extra for every set he did. Tore it up, dude. Yeah. That's also on top of what you were already doing downstairs.
Yeah.
So anyway, it's raining. It's crazy.
Yeah.
And I'm going home, dropping Josh off, and I don't know what else to expect of the day. It's raining. Might be an indoor day. Josh! Look who's home!
Hi guys!
Elias! Are you gonna go in the rain? You're gonna go get wet? Look, this is parenting 101, guys. He has a fever of 100.4. He has a runny nose. But guess what? You only live once. So, you go out in the rain as much as you can. You dance in the rain with Jenny. What's that movie called? Huh?
Shattered.
Dance in the rain like Jenny.
Not with Jenny.
What is it?
What's her name?
Dance in the rain with Karen.
Karen.
Ah! Go! Run, 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 run! Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! Whoa! You see that? High five! So cool! So cool! Go again. Woo! I'm not kidding. When it rains in Vegas, people rejoice. And there's also the other reaction that they don't know what to do. And there's also the other reaction that the whole streets flood because it feels like it's raining for days and years and months. When in actuality, rain like this probably flooded half the streets in Henderson. I'm not kidding. Last year it rained more than it did this time. But it rained for 2 days straight. 2 days. And we go down this main highway, and there's a river going down the on Boulder. There's a river going down the middle of the road. There's boulders rolling, major boulders rolling down the street. And we're like, oh my gosh, this is crazy. And then some guy who weighs probably 110 pounds with his girlfriend who probably weighs 90, sitting on a scooter, flowing down the road in their moped. It was crazy. Wanna go touch it? No. Go ahead. No? Go put boogers on mama.
Disgusting. Disgusting. Ew. Ew. That's gross.
Oh, boogers on mama.
No.
Huh. Gross, no, get out. Poke mama's nose.
Disgusting. No, give mama kisses. No nose picking. No nose picking. Babe.